Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Veronica. Today we're going to make pork and mushroom casserole. So we got tomato dice, mushrooms, we've got wine, herbs, so we've got tomato puree. Oh, we've just got to cut. And we've got loin chops. Oil. I'm going to mix it around. Keep that bubbled. Let that heat up. I'm going to put this. Oh, we're just going to put the whole. It says slice, but we're going to put the whole chicken. This in. So that's on with these tiny. I'll just move the pan a little bit closer.
Yeah. Now we got that on low.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ah.
Oh, shiv. Viz. Okay, just, yeah, spread them. Yep. Okay, now empty the juices from the pan.
Oh.
Now,
A teaspoon of
teaspoon of mixed spice, mixed herbs. All right.
oh,
Jeez.
juice it. That was scary, man. Oh no, I saw a truck go past. Oh fuck. Oh, too bad. Ian did his lawns before all this pepper down.
Yeah.
We saw. I heard Ian and on his ride on. Dad goes, oh, Ian's minding his lawns. I go, yeah, he's onto it. He knows when it's, you know, when the bad storms are coming.
Still working in his garage.
What's that?
Still working in his garage.
Yep.
Making room.
Yeah. Yep. Not like Dad on the computer. So we've got the onion going, we would put the onion in. This spoon?
Yes, 2 tablespoons. So bring it over here so you don't make a mess on the floor.
Someone's OCD.
That's the onions.
Oh. So, 2, eh?
Yep.
And just 1.
Oh, was it teaspoons? I don't know. Yep, no table. Yep. Okay, so just stir the onions into that.
I'll just use the tongs.
Yep.
Oh, shit.
Okay. That's right. Now just come and add your, put the lid on and then just add the
Chicken, vegetable.
Okay, now you need to add the wine. It's 1.5, 1 1/4. So just do 1 cup.
Okay, 1 cup.
Yeah, 1 cup's to there.
Okay. Did you just keep on filming that?
Yeah.
Should have stopped it. Up there?
Okay, is that 1 cup? You put it down. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, put that, empty that in, and then 1/4.
Of 1 again?
Yep. Okay, and another, and 1/4.
So was the, oh, there?
Yep. No, that's half.
Oh.
No. So that's 1 1/4 cups of wine. Okay. And now you need 2/3 of stock, veggie stock.
Okay.
So bring it over here.
So, pull it up.
Yes. Bit more to the. Okay. Yep. Oh, geez. Oh. Wine. Oh. Okay, give it a stir. Wooden one right here. Okay, give it a stir. Make sure the flour's dissolved and everything. Oh, it certainly smells winey. Okay.
Put it off.
Yes.
Oh gosh. Not to strain it in.
Yeah.
Oh no, and I don't take the thing out. Oh, it's not the wine.
Mm-hmm. And just so
So how many mushrooms?
all of them.
All of them?
Yeah, cut them up because you need 2.5 cups of sliced mushrooms. Yep. Mess. Okay, 2.5 cups.
Three on the floor.
No, that's all right. Right.
So, cut this off.
Yeah, because we can use that too.
I just go like this.
Yep.
Like that?
Yep, that'd be all right, yes.
Or again?
Or if you want, yeah, cut it cool. Yep. Yep. Okay, add the tomatoes, the mushrooms. Okay, and your tomatoes.
Tomato. Yep.
Okay, and your puree.
So,
Put it all in.
huh? Put nothing in.
Yeah, put it all in.
Because we'll take out that that wine taste.
Okay. Look for the recycle. And once you've cut up the green paper, just add it to the slow cooker.
Okay. Yeah, that looks like that. Nope. So we're gonna oh shit. We're gonna put the peppers in. So I'm gonna mix everything up. Yep.
Stirred it all.
Yep. I'm doing it now.
Okay, all good. Okay.
Show your body. Thank you for watching how to make pork and mushroom casserole. I will write the recipe down below. Subscribe, push the notification bell for more videos down the line. Ronnie is out. Bye.